Interesting question. See, in the figure, pulley has a mass M, capital M, and radius is R. We can take as a disc, and the string does not slip over it. The time period of oscillation of the system is, see here, this is the a block of mass M, which is get displacement by y. Due to that, so the spring, this is also elongated. How much? That is also y. But due to this connection, initially the spring is elongated h. So this is the h initially due to the connection, and due to the displacement y, here also spring move upward direction with h plus y. How much? H plus y. So we can take here h plus y directly in the derivation. See now, here we have to write moment of inertia of the disk. So moment of inertia I, which is equal to mr square divided by 2. We know v is equal to r omega and omega is equal to v divided by r. Here total energy of the system is constant. So total energy of system remains same or we can write constant. So here displacement is downward direction, then we can take velocity. So 1 by 2 mv square plus 1 by 2 I omega square plus 1 by 2 k into h plus y whole square minus h square minus mg y, which is equal to constant. See, one thing we have to understand here, this is h. See now, here initially that have the potential energy due to the connection, so that is negative here, and the block is moved downward direction along the negative y-axis, that is also negative potential energy. So the potential energy convert into what here? Kinetic energy. That's why here potential energy losing. That's why here negative sign is considering. So now continuation, 1 by 2 mv square plus 1 by 2 mr square divided by 2. So v square divided by r square is get cancelled, values are replacing I and omega value, plus 1 by 2 k into this is h square plus y square plus 2hy minus h square plus h square is get cancelled, minus mgy, which is equal to constant, See, and continuation derivation, 1 by 2 mv square plus 1 by 4 capital M v square plus 1 by 2 ky square, 2 is get cancelled, kh into y, minus mgy, which is equal to constant. See now, and here we have to do this equation differentiation with respect to time. So differentiation of constant is 0. For this 1 by 2 m 2v into a plus 1 by 4 capital M 2v into a plus 1 by 2 k into 2v, plus kh into v, minus mgv, which is equal to 0, which is equal to 0. Okay, see now, and here v is common and 0 by anything is 0. Okay, so 2 is get cancelled here. Okay, and ma plus here 1 by 2 ma plus 2 is get cancelled here. Okay, so that value is k into v. Okay, v. Okay, here 2v, sorry, 1 by 2 2v, 2y into v, 2y into v, sorry for the mistake. So that is ky plus continuation here kh minus mg, which is equal to 0, is taken as equation number 1. Okay, so next free body diagram we can take. Downward direction is mg acting here, downward direction is mg, and tension is acting T. Here T, which is equal to mg, and T, which is equal to ky from the both equations here. So kh, h is the initial elongation, sorry for the mistake. So here mg, which is equal to kh, and h, which is equal to mg divided by k. So this value is replacing here. Okay, this value is replacing here. Okay, then the resultant equation is, okay, so no space, first copy this and then I will continue. And continuation here, this value h is equal to replaced in the above equation. See, so ma plus 1 by 2 capital Ma plus ky plus k into h value is mg divided by k, this k get cancelled, minus mg, which is equal to 0, minus mg plus mg also get cancelled, and continuation here m a, so we can take a is common, so a of, so 2m plus capital M divided by 2, which is equal to minus ky. So here acceleration a, which is equal to minus 2k divided by 2m plus capital M into y. From the simple harmonic motion a, which is equal to minus omega square into y. Okay, so here we are using energy relation. Okay, so from these two equations, okay, omega value which is equal to root over 2k divided by 2m plus capital M, and time period t, which is equal to pi root over 2m plus capital M divided by 2k, and the frequency 1 by 2 pi root over 2k divided by 2m plus capital M is the answer for the given question.